Hi, in this video we will see how to use ASCII function in Tableau. So in order to use this function, first we have to create one calculation field. So here we will set the title as a ASCII value. So here we will write the function ASCII and click on this function. So this function takes input as a string value and it returns the ASCII value of the string. So for example, if I use only a here, just one string or one character which is a, and click on apply and click on OK, and then take this ASCII value field that we have just created and drop it onto the label or text, and after that click on apply, click on this drop down and click here and select average, and we can see it is showing the value 97, which is the ASCII value of a character a. So for example, if I edit this function and set the value here, so here I'll set the value is uh, I'll take an input as a. And again I click on apply. So after clicking on apply, we can see there is nothing happened, or the value remains same, which is previous. So basically what this function does, this function only apply on the first character of the particular string. So if we use the value ABCD, which is a string, so it basically returns the ASCII value of only first character. So it will return the ASCII value of A, which is 97. So if we remove this A and keep the string BCD as it is and clicking on apply, so now we can see it is value has been changed from 97 to 98, which is the ASCII value of B. So we can see here B is the first character of our string, and also we can see on the right side it is showing the. So if we click on this function, now we can see the definition of this function. So it says the ASCII value returns the first character of the string. So returns the ASCII code value of the first character of a string. So this is how we can use the ASCII function in Tableau to get the ASCII code or ASCII value of the particular character, or we can say the first character of the particular string. So this is how we can use this function, and thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.